Hello children, I am your maths teacher and last day you were learning chapter numbers, and which was the topic you learned? You learned rounding of numbers, right? Rounding to the nearest tens, nearest hundreds and nearest thousands. I told you how you do the rounding off according to the condition. When you are rounding to the nearest tens, you will see what is the number in the ones place, right? And to the nearest hundreds, you will see what is the number in the tens place. And when you are rounding to the nearest thousands, you will see what is the number in the hundreds place. And what are the conditions? If you are rounding to the nearest tens, what will you do? You will look at the ones place. If the digit in the ones place is less than 5, then when you are rounding to the nearest tens, what will you do? You will not change the digit in the tens place. It will remain the same. Okay. And if it is 5 or more, then the digit in the tens place will change to the next number. Same way in the nearest hundreds place also you will see what the digit in the tens place. If it is less than 5 or 5 or more than 5. Two conditions in each. Then nearest thousands, you will see what if the number in the hundreds place is less than 5 or 5 or more than 5. For both cases, we have seen how you round off the numbers, right? So last time you learned that. Is it clear for you? Right? So if you have any doubt, just go through the previous video, okay? So just related to this rounding of numbers, we have assignment 11, that is page 77, okay? Assignment 11. So the first question is round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. So they have given number. 3 numbers have been given in the columns and you have to round off to the nearest tens. So what did I tell you? When you round off to the nearest tens, you have to consider the ones place number. So which is the ones place number? Here we'll go look at the first number first. Okay. Here, what is the ones place number here? 2. So is it less than 5 or 5 and more than 5? There are two conditions. Less than 5 or 5 and more than 5. So this is less than 5. So when you round it to the nearest tens, what will happen? The tens place digit does not change. So how will you round it off? The other numbers you have to write. Okay. 1, 5, 4, 8, 6. Then this 9 will remain the same. It will not change. So you will write 9. And the last ones place you will write 0. You are rounding off. So the number in words, it is 15,48,692. When you round it off, you will get 15,48,690. Okay. Now the next question. What is it? 2, that is 22,58,799. Okay. So here we will see the ones place. Why? We are rounding off to the nearest tens. So here, what is in the ones place? It is 9. 9 means what? 9 means it is more than 5. So you have to round it. Okay. So when you round it means it will affect the tens place number. Here, what is in the tens place? 9. So 9 will go to the next number. What is that? 10. 10 means you cannot write 10 in this tens place. That will go to the next number. So what will it be? This 7 will change into 8. So how will you round it off? 2, 2, 5, 8, 8, 0, 0. Why? Here in the ones place, it is what? 9. That is more than 5. So the tens place have to go to the next number. But after 9, which is the next number? It is 10. So 10 means it is a 2-digit number, right? More than 9. So that will go to the hundreds place number. That is, that 1 will go to the hundreds place number. That is, 7 will have to be added to 1. Then you will get 8. And the other 2 you will write 0. So you will round this number as 22,58,800. So that is how you round this number to, because why? It is 9. Okay, this different case. Okay, here what is it? 65 lakh, not 65 lakh, it is 6 crore 54 lakh 32,119. So here also you have to consider the ones place. It is 9 more than 5. So it will change the tens place number. So here tens place is 1. So that will change to 2. But here the tens place also was is a big number, that is 9. So this 1 here in this, when you compare these, both are having, see, both are having 9 in the ones place. But in this, when the 9 is in the ones place, when you add 1 to the tens place, it will be 2 here. But here, when 9 in the ones place, you have to add 1 to the tens place also. But here, when you add 1 to this 9, tens place it is 9. So when you add 1, that will go to the next number, because 10 is a 1 0. Okay, so that 1 you will have to add to the hundreds, the next number to the left, that is 7. So that becomes 800. So 22,58,800 will be the answer here. But here, what will it be? It will affect the tens place, means this 1 will change into 2. So here it will be 65432120. Okay, 1 added to the tens place. That is, 1 will change into 2. Next one. Here is also, all these are rounding off to the nearest tens. Okay. Here the number is 5865. It's 58 lakh 65,863. So here 3 is in the ones place. So 3 is less than 5. So that doesn't affect the what? It doesn't affect the tens place number. So 6 will remain the same. Then you will write 0. Next one. That ones place is 1. That is also less than 5. So here also it doesn't affect the tens place. It will remain the same. And then you will write the 0. Here it is more than 5. So what will you do? You will write the rest of the numbers. Then you will have to add 1 number to the tens place. That is, it is 2 already. Then it will change into 3. And you will write a 0. Okay.